next topic that I have chosen is the network devices. For having this mobile technology as well as internet facility, we need to have different devices, and these devices we are going to study now. So class, there are the devices: hub, switch, router, bridge, gateway, modem, repeater, and the access point. So class, these are the devices as well as the technology itself with the help of which networking is possible nowadays. So class, talking about the hub is like a, uh, you can say it is a device in which many computers can be connected with the help of the wires. You can say it have the multiple switches. If we in a room 5 computers are there and I want to connect all 5 computers and to transfer data, for that I will use the hub. Now next, hub is not only used for a room that I have given just an example, it can be used long distances also. Now class talking about the switch. Switch is also like a hub only, but switch can connect your multiple port device together with a more efficiency. Means more computer can be connected with more efficiency, and data transfer is also very good. And you can say routing is also there. Routing means transfer of data with an intelligence way. Means when you are sending a message from one mobile to another mobile, there is a router works for this, which transfer your data, that is your analog signals, to digital signal, that is in the form of signals that will be transferred to another computer, another mobile. And this mobile or computer will also have a router which will convert your signal into their analog form, means readable form. Router, as I have explained, router work is to transmit data from one destination to another destination, and it has its own technology, it has its own intelligence, how to convert voice into digital, how to convert text into digital, how to convert a video into digital or picture into digital. So it has its own technology. So it is also the device. Now the bridge works as a host. A bridge works as a, you can say, host for two networks or more networks which are connected. Suppose I am connecting with you people, then you are having your own network, I am having my own network, but in between there works a bridge which will work to transfer our data. As I said, router transfer the data to these bridge, and bridge further transfer to you people. Similarly for the messages, similarly for the emails, anything that we are doing in a network, it works like that. Now class, your next is the gateway. You can say it is a digital man, or you can say digital services provided by different and digital networks, with the help of which our communication is possible. We have to pay to these gateways for different communication. The data that we are using, it is with the help of this gateway only how much data is to be transformed for one type of information and how much for the other. So it is all decided by this gateway only. Now class, your next is the repeater. Repeater is also electronic device which help to amplifies your signal. When information is sent from one place to another, it get weak because of atmosphere, because of air, because of long distances. So repeater work is to take that data and amplifies again and forward. It is attached to, always it is attached to, you can say, bridges have these repeaters, and repeater repeater will take those signals which is transferred from the routers to these bridges, and bridges give the signal to the repeater, and repeater will amplifies it, मतलब इसको दोबारा से सही कर देगा जो वीक हो चुका है. it will make it again amplifies, means again उतना ही सिग्नल को स्ट्रांग बना देगा और आगे को it will forward. Type of internet connection, there are two type of internet connection, basically dial-up connection and broadband connection. Dial-up connection, in this we have to connect our mobile, or we have to connect our phone line to the computer in order to access the internet. When you will work with the broadband connection and with your computer, then there comes the option of dial-up also. Suppose you have a mobile, or suppose you have a phone line, you can connect your computer with the phone line also, and you can use the data. Broadband connection, nothing to explain more about you. It is the high speed internet, best internet facilities given by broadband only, and it use telephone companies, different telephone company give this facility. Especially in India, it is BSNL and MTNL.